That's gonna give us that nice little color, that little I know you see it on the screen, that little Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I appreciate all the love for the consistency. You know, I've been posting on TikTok. You know, the niggas is on my dick. But let's get to this video real quick. Hey, over here. I already hear you. He did pasta last video. All he knows is Italian. Get off my dick. Lasagna this time, and I don't care what you gotta say. This shit still look fire. I know you see it, so boom. First thing what you gotta do is wash your hands, you dirty nigga. Grab a cutting board, you see onions right here. Cut the tops off, cut them in half, peel off the skin, do your slices around, cut it in the middle, do your dices. Simple as that. With your garlic, smash it against the cutting board, peel off the skin, and do minces all over your garlic. So, by the way, the recipe's on the website, crackthese.com. Go get into it. Next thing we gotta do is saute our ground beef for the sauce. Grab a pot, oil on that bitch, medium heat, put the ground beef in there, just like that. Your ground beef's gonna chase some color, break it apart a little bit, then add your onions. You don't want the ground beef cooked all the way. You wanna like, you know what I'm saying, put your onions turn translucent, a little light color, a little transparent, you know what I'm saying, translucent, transparent, same shit. Add your garlic. Once your garlic start changing color, add your herbs. Once your herbs start changing color, season it with salt and pepper. Simple as that, right? Follow those rules. Once everything is seasoned, incorporated, and mixed, and nice like that, add the sauce. Let the sauce simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Taste it for your appeal. Doesn't need more salt, doesn't need more pepper. You tell me, feel me? You're the one cooking, not me. Well, I am actually. Duh. You get my drift. We're gonna boil some water for our pasta. In the pot, grab some water, put on the stove top, add some salt to it, boil it. Simple as that. Once it's boiling, put your pasta in the pot and cook for a little. Yo, bro, I'm tired of this nigga coming in this video, bro. You mad ugly. Your mother. Suck my dick, bro. I'm tired of him, bro. He mad and annoying. He gets no. Hello? Hello? Yo. You forgot something. Once your pasta becomes al dente, about 5 to 8 minutes, feel me? Take it out, strain it, put some oil on that bitch, put it aside. Now, the last part, our ricotta cheese. Ricotta in the bowl, add some mozzarella on top of that, and add some Parmesan cheese on top of that. And add some herbs on top of that. What are you talking about? Season with a little salt, pepper, mix to incorporate everything, and now it's time to assemble. Hold on, my nose is running. The pan, a little glass pan right here, feel me? Sauce first, lasagna, ricotta, meat. Well, meat in the sauce, feel me? Lasagna, ricotta, meat sauce. Lasagna and ricotta on top. Feel me? Make sure the ricotta is on top. On the top of the ricotta, add some crumbled Parmesan cheese. That's gonna give us that color, that little feel me, when we put it in the oven. Now, put it in the oven for 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. That's gonna give us that nice little color, that little I know you see it on the screen, that little When it's in the oven, halfway, rotate it. Because one side is gonna be crispy and the other side is not gonna be crispy on the top layer. And you want that whole crispiness around the whole top. So, rotate it. That's gonna give you the whole surface area for that, that little Once it's done, take it out. I know you see that. That shit is tough. Stop playing with me. The plating now. Put a plate right here for me. Lasagna in the middle. Put a nice sauce circle around. Add the oregano, use a little, you know what I'm saying? And you straight. Let's try this out real quick. Hold on. The crispiness on the cheese. Check it out.